Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and well. Today, not today. Yeah, today only, but I guess this is our fourth maybe continued video of our Eid video. As you know, in the morning we went for prayer and then we ate our lunch and then we came out. First, we went to the aquarium, and we told you that in this video we'll show where we will visit. So here, after going to the aquarium, we sat in a car and we wanted to visit the global village. Although we knew that it is Friday and it is Eid, and there will be too much crowd in there, but still, we just wanted to go there. So right now we are in Global Village and we just took the taxi, not a taxi, it's like a rickshaw to reach here. To reach here because it was a lot to walk and we did not want to walk that much because we'll get tired. That's why we took the taxi, and this is the entrance. Yeah, the main gate. The main gate is that side, and this is where we will buy our tickets, the ticket counter. And this is how it looks like. And this was looking pretty cool. It was so amazing. It looked like a big castle. I loved it so much. It looked like we are entering a castle. The gate was just like a big door when it opens, and we are so tiny. It looked like that, but only the door was not there. Anyway, I love the entrance. And too much about entrance. Now let's go about the inside. When I entered, I first saw this fountain and I was like, this is gonna be amazing. And it was so amazing. I saw the fountain first, and there were those eagles who were the statues, not the eagles. These were all people. Too much crowd. We knew there would be crowd, so we did not make it a big matter of fact. Then there was our first country. I don't know what we call these because this was the first time I was going there. I know it's been a year I've been staying here, but we did not have car because my dad had to get his driving license, but then he got it and we have a car now. That's why. I really don't know what do we call these, but I'll call them country. Anyway, this is Syria. Everything was pretty good, except for that I couldn't understand what they were speaking. They were all talking in Arabic, and honestly, I don't understand anything. It's been a year I've been here, and I know I'm so bad at it. I am trying to learn it. I guess within next 2 years I can speak Arabic. I'm not at all sure, but my parents think so. Anyway, and these uncles were singing songs. I don't know, is that Syria tradition or maybe not, but these uncles were. After Syria, there was this DJ mask show there. I don't know why, but
hello everyone, my name is Jordan and I am so excited to be here today. This is an incredible chance for all of you to get to meet our favourite heroes and learn all about what it takes to be able to save the day. Do you know who we're going to see today? I'll give you a clue. By day they are 3 regular kids, Connor, Amaya and Greg. But by night, they are... Hang on, can you say that again? I didn't quite hear you. I wish I did like that voice, I could hear you all better. Come on everyone, you can be louder than that. Who is it? Yes, the PJ Masks, absolutely. And today, we have the amazing PJ Masks coming here.
Like I told, we did not have to see it. That is why we did not take the full show. We did not see. We just moved on because we had to visit many more countries. This looked so amazing. Everything was decorated with amazing things, and it was so traditional and so epic, I would say. All together looked so good. like their country tradition and culture were like being shown in there. Then this was like Korea. When I saw Korea, I had to go there. I love Korea, especially South Korea, because the food they eat, oh my, that's so amazing. Like I love the food they eat. And that's why we went there to, I was expecting restaurants, like many food stalls, so that I can eat many things. But there was not, it was not there. Only two or few, so we just left. And then there was this carnival. This carnival had this amazing suspense drop down. It was like it's going very slowly up in going in a circular motion. It will go up, and the lightings made it more suspensive. Like everybody was waiting for the fall, and it just comes down suddenly. The lightings, if you see it all together, it's so cool. The lightings, and then suddenly it's shut down. Now. No. Now. Yeah. But it's actually not that scary because it's just one time. Then there was this arcade and all. Many types of arcade and this and that. Then we had to visit India. Of course, we have to visit India. Yep. That's why we went to the India side. This India was super big, super big. Even like the Syria and Korea mixed together would not make as big as India. Not the country size. I was talking about the place. As you can see, India is so big, and there were like the kings, lions, and cultural dance statues. I did not expect that. I thought they would put like Taj Mahal, India Gate and all. But yeah, this was also nice. There was all different kinds of things in here. Like there were clothes, there were everything, and especially these things. Like I think these handmade toys, these were mostly every shop had it. I guess I don't know if these are like Indian traditional things from there, but this was everywhere. I know that people in India wear these type of things, but yeah, everything was that. I expected it to be like that, but it's alright. Then we saw these bags, pretty fancy, not pretty, super fancy bags. They were so like weird, because I don't know, I never saw this type of bags. Not even in India. I don't think I saw anybody using this type of bags. My Ammu also tried to see it, and she was like, okay, these are too tiny to carry anything in them. That's why I think so. It's so, I don't know. These are so tiny. I mean, what can we carry in them? A lip balm and maybe some notes and coins, but yeah, it's not actually our type, and it's so weird somehow. I saw rectangular bags, but never this kind of shapes. Very weird. Anyway, there were shoes, these traditional Rajasthani shoes, probably. Yeah, I know this because I bought some shoes from Rajasthan. That's why when I was in India. But anyway, then we went, and this was there a firecracker show. We couldn't take the full thing because it started suddenly. But anyway, how much we took, you can enjoy. That was I personally loved it. It was so amazing. It was superb, super nice, awesome, amazing. All the words you can find. Then we continued to walk on, and we found the largest until now. I thought India was large, but like compared to this, India is very small. Mhm. This is China. It was super big, super big, super big. It had everything in there, like, and I loved China the best because they were not like shops, they were like tiny houses, and they decorated it so well. Like, if you can see, they're like houses, so amazing. It was so cool because it is big, they have a lot of space in there, and there was clothes, jewelries, toys, many things. And then there was this jewelry shop, and I wanted a ring for myself, so I was just like choosing what to buy. I just wanted a type of ring, nice one, and this one, and I took on my middle finger, that one. I really liked it, yeah. It has kind of floral design, leaves and all. Anyway, these are all the toys, and then these are sunglasses. Many things were there, not many things, everything was there. Even food was there, but not so many. I did not notice food, but I noticed everything. Even they have these luggages, like trolley bag, not trolley bag, sorry. The wait, I forgot. Trolleys, yeah. They had these trolleys. Like, I did not see them in other shops. They even had bags and these type of stands. I don't know what they are. Like, these had nowhere to be found in other shops. Honestly, China was so big. I really liked exploring China. It had a lot of jewelries also. Like this. And then we left China because it was getting too late, and we also had to do like our dinner. We already took so much time in the traffic jam in the road. There was this road official, so oh yeah, I'm sorry. We had to take our dinner. That's why we did not visit any more countries. China was the last one, but I'm sure like when I visit here next time, I will visit more countries. And yes, we then moved on, like kept on walking. Then we saw there was this video, not video, sorry, that was just like a show. They were like skylines, so I sat there to watch it, but then they suddenly put like the Bollywood music. I don't know, that was just a short clip. Anyway, this is the parking lot. We were searching for our car, and finally we found it. Like, it was a big parking lot, but then we finally reached the restaurant when it was like too late, too much late. We reached the restaurant when it was too late. It was almost 12 o'clock when we reached the restaurant. Yes, I know, but it's alright. We ordered our food and we had it. Like, yeah, it was nice. We ordered some chicken biryani, chicken tandoori, and some naan. Yeah, this is naan. The naan was really good. It was like crispy and soft, chewy and nice. We also had this like kebab or something. I don't know. I really don't remember the name. It was like kebab something. Really good. I loved it so much. And I also had to wake up early tomorrow, and because that's why we are hurrying up, because we had to wake up early tomorrow, because yeah, I have to finish all my schoolwork, that's why. And yeah, in here I was trying to have the naan. It was too hot, and my bunu was like, I'll help you, and I'm like, no, you can't, you will burn your hands. That's why I did not let her do it. I tried my best to cut it, and yeah, eventually I did it. I made a half and I gave it to her. Then we took our lunch. It was so late when I reached home. That's why I straight went into the bed. Like, I straight went to bed. I can wait. You can see the time. It's yourself. 1:21. It's time for me to go and sleep right now. And that's how I spend my Eid. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ma salama.